how to say no in Japanese. The standard way you'll find in textbook is iie, iie, iie. Sometimes we'll remove one i, just like we saw to say you're welcome. Yeah. Another variation of ye is ya. Yeah, and we use that more like an interjection to say no. Yeah, the word exists, but as I said, it's culturally rude to be direct, and so we tend to diplomatically find ways to make the other person understand that we're refusing. So for example, we saw so desu to say that's right. The opposite is so janai. So janai. And you could add ya before, which is going to make you sound more natural. Yeah, so janai. Yeah, so janai. It goes without saying that giving your opinion like that would definitely be in a casual conversation. Another natural way to say that's wrong, in the sense that this fact is incorrect, is chigau. To which again you could add chigau. Iya, when it's not used as a negating interjection, means that you don't want something because you don't like, or worse, because you find it disgusting. So you'll hear yada, which is typically what a girl who's not interested in a guy, or a difficult child who doesn't want to eat his vegetables. Yada! It's funny and it's going to be very subtle, but we use to say yes, but we use to say no. So here it's all in the intonation. So I know I said that in the Japanese culture we tend not to be direct, but there are situations where you don't have any other choice. So a rather polite way to be direct is kekkou desu. Kekkou desu. Now, if you're trespassing, if you're smoking somewhere you're not allowed to, or if you're just not following the rules in general, Japanese people will tell you in a polite way, but they will tell you. And the way to say that is dame desu. Dame desu. It's like you can't, or you're not allowed to. Now let's recap the main ways to say no. Iie, ya, yada, chigau, kekkou desu, dame desu, or dame. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you found this helpful, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this. じゃあまたね!